What's going on, beautiful people? I'm just here with my laptop, making a few trades, making a few millions, right? So what's happening right now, guys, is it's 14:46 Irish time, which means it's 2 o'clock, almost 3 o'clock, and Turkish time it's almost 5 o'clock, and American time it's 9:45. So the stock market opened 45 minutes ago. So what I was doing is I was basically trading here, and this is a stock that I gave you guys on my Patreon account, that I told you today the stock is going to spike, it's going to go up in value because they're releasing an earning report, you know, the strategy that we always used. And guess what? It's doing just that. So I'm going to explain to you what stock I'm talking about. By the way, this is the stock, right there. It's called Fast, right? But a lot of you are going to have questions regarding Fast here. So Fast is American company, and this is why we always trade American companies, guys, because they have a lot of volume. So what happened with this stock? It slumped in value, even though they released a positive earning report. Remember, for those of you who are new to this, positive earning report means spike. Negative earning report means slump in the stock. But why did this stock go down in value when it's supposed to be positive? So here on my Patreon, I gave Fast, and I said on the 10th it will spike in value. It is the 10th. They will release something, right? And this was released October 6th. See, we know when these stocks will spike in value, but this day is very important because these are the kind of stocks I want to trade. Very popular stocks. And that's why I said I would suggest avoiding the first 2 days of trading. Okay? Hopefully the people here understood and avoided the first 2 days of trading, because I knew this stock, right, wasn't a favorite stock. So even though it released positive earnings, right, it slumped in value. So this is why I try to avoid these stocks, and hopefully you guys on my Patreon that got the same information, you would have avoided that stock, right, for the first 2 days. But tomorrow it should be good, right? Because look at it. It released earning report, but there was mixed emotions. It shouldn't have done that, right? So that's why I kind of ended up shorting that stock instead of buying it. So it's important to understand that. So when a stock goes down on value, guys, you make money regardless, right, by shorting it. And that's why I say you have to learn how to short stocks. You have to learn. But at the moment, this stock, it released earning reports, but it's going up in value. Have a look. Right? It's going up in value even though it's slumped. See, it was punished for no reason. So what's going to happen now? This stock should basically go up in value to where it slumped at the beginning, and then it should breach the price it started off as, because this stock shouldn't have been punished like this, because they came out and beat analyst expectations and beat estimates. So for those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, you should really go back to my older videos for day trading and have a look at what I'm talking about here. So I've already showed you how to analyze earning reports, and the reason why we only trade high cap stocks and earning reports is because we know the exact date they will spike in value. We know when they will spike in value, and we can utilize that, because this is the only way. This is called the catalyst, guys. This is the catalyst. Similarly with penny stocks and FDA approvals and biopharma penny stocks, it's the same strategy, it's the same way, it's the same things we do, right? So if you don't know what's going on, guys, like I said, this is the only way to make money in the market altogether. Because this is the only way to make money in the market, is to use that strategy. It's the only way. This strategy has been used throughout the 70s, throughout the 80s, throughout the 90s, and nobody has told you this before. But that's the only way. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back to my older videos when I showed you how to use this strategy, and also look in the description, because I made it easy for you guys through a course, right? So for now, the trade is complete. We're gonna finish more things. I'm not gonna double dip in that stock. Once I get in, if I make money, I'm not going back to short it. Sometimes I will short it. If I lose money, I'm not gonna overtrade. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm not gonna overtrade, because if you do overtrade, you're gonna end up losing money. So I'll keep you updated on the day. We're gonna basically vlog the whole day now. See how it goes. Once you make your first trade or whatever trade, I don't care how experienced you are in the market, once you make your trade, step away from the computer, because you're going to want to overtrade, or if you lose money, you're going to want to recoup it, so you're revenge trading, and therefore you're going to end up losing more money. See, if you make money, you're going to want to do it again and make more money. You don't even have a setup. You already traded your stock. You already executed your strategy with the earning report. You got in, you got out, you made your money, now you walk away. And if you lose money, understand it's part of the game. Understand it's just an expense. Tomorrow is a new day. You're gonna make more money tomorrow. So let's not have revenge trading, right, in the picture when it comes to stocks. Go in with your emotions controlled and get out. Leave, make your money and walk away. If you don't make money, that's okay. Tomorrow is a new day. So now I made money, and now I'm gonna edit this video and upload it for you guys, so I can give you that pep talk. But like I said, guys, we know the exact date these stocks will spike in value. See, when I began trading, I didn't know what influenced the stock to spike in value. I didn't know how to pick stocks. This is the most important thing when it comes to day trading. How can I pick stocks? What stocks to buy? What stocks to sell? What should I do? So when you understand analysis, when you understand how the strategy works that I showed you on my YouTube, then you're gonna understand that making money is simple, right? But it's not just a walk in the park. Obviously, a lot of things come in hand, such as analysis, hard work, patience, controlling emotions, which is the most important thing when it comes to trading. So I'm gonna go get some lunch. Now, we completed the job, right, in 10 minutes, and it's still early. Hopefully you guys are getting value out of these videos I've been dropping. Now I know my voice is a bit low because I'm not feeling well these days, because I've been making too many videos, and you know, when I make videos I speak strong, like I come out strong, and wasted all my energy, boys and girls. So it's not a walk in the park, guys. Like, a lot of analysis, not a lot of analysis, but understanding things. Like, I don't need to analyze a whole article. I just know what to look for, and that comes with experience. That comes with beginning, I guess, paper trading. But like I said, education is important. If you don't know what you're doing, look in the description. That's all I'm saying. It's worth it. Just look in the description. I've always been honest with you guys. And no, I didn't make a million. Just now, I didn't make a million. I made a few hundreds, and that's okay. And that's what I'm supposed to do, right? As a day trader. And that's how I grow my account. That's how I grow. That's how I make it into a business. I don't have to trade for the whole week now. I don't need to, but obviously I will trade, and that's why I say setups are more important than anything. And by setups, I'm not talking about graphs. I'm talking about having an earning report, having the correct stock, and that's it, right? That's all you need. We know when these reports will be coming out. We know the exact date, because I told you already. If you don't know, just go to the NASDAQ calendar. But you have to understand which stocks to pick. We don't want to be picking the same stocks that I just showed you, because these stocks will kind of have some kind of mixed emotions and whatnot. But all of that comes with experience, right? And let's see how it's doing right now. Let's see how it's doing. It's dropping back in value. So hopefully people listen to me when I said don't trade these 2 days, guys. But I had to give that stock. I had to give it, because that's my job on my Patreon. I had to give that stock and tell you guys, here it is. But I did give you an advice, and I said don't trade it on that specific day, right? But tomorrow should be a good day for these stocks. See you again for another, just like always. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I know it's just a weird vlog. It's just me vlogging to you guys. So I'm gonna get some lunch and just enjoy the rest of the day. See you again.